later than I wanted to. I wanted to leave around 5:30, but sometimes you need a little extra sleep. So we'll be driving out. We're pushing some cattails today. I'm hoping the ice is still thick in the cattails. It should be, because we've been having some really warm weather up here. 40s, 60s, and only getting to maybe 30 at night. Like right now it's 32 degrees and it's raining. But hopefully Stubby can get on the track. We're going to go try to find some roosters. We're going to start out on that public land piece where I started my trip last week, no, 2 weeks ago. My last video, we're going to start there where I started my trip. And then after that, we're probably going to go do some door knocking. I have a few fields that looked really good. I just didn't door knock, so we'll probably be asking some people for permission. Yeah, that's kind of the name of the game, I guess. We're going to do the usual. Hopefully Stubby's feeling on fire today. We got the 16 gauge over under. Hopefully something happens. But yeah, we got a long drive ahead of us. See you then. Just got to the spot. It is 15 minutes after shooting light. And we're going to be dealing with some crazy conditions. They switched on the way here. It was supposed to be a little snowy and fairly warm today. As you can see, it's pretty much, I can't tell if it's actually snowing right now or if the snow is just blowing off the sides, but it is a 20-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, I just checked it. We're at 25, and it's supposed to climb to 30. So crazy winds. The snow is going to be blowing in our face. I'm hoping it holds these birds pretty tight, actually. Boy, I'm not going to be able to hear a thing. You guys are probably not going to be able to have any audio. So just bear with me for a little bit. Yeah, I'm hoping these birds hold real tight. I think that's going to happen, and I'm probably only going to get one shot at them when they get up. Otherwise they're going to be gone. So we're going to do a couple short little hunts, hop back in the car, drive down the other side, hunt the trees a little bit, hop in the car, and we're just going to keep them short and quick and move around a lot. I think that's the plan today. So wish us luck. It's going to be cold. Point. Cool. Hen, no bird. As you could tell, the wind that day was just crazy. And we saw that one hen, and then a rooster ends up getting up here. Yeah, right here. Yep, that rooster takes off. Barely got a chance to see it. And we ended up making a big loop back to the truck. I am sweaty and now freezing. 3 birds we've seen, 2 hens and 1 rooster. I didn't shoot at the rooster, it was too far. Stubby had a nice point on a hen though. It's cold. I think, oh, I'm out of breath. It is a long freaking walk, and it is so windy I can barely see. Kind of makes it fun though. Ooh, let's start the car. We're gonna probably go do some door knocking. Probably make our walks worthwhile. Public land, sometimes the birds, there's just lack of birds. So private land, there's a higher concentration of birds, and just gives you more opportunity. So we're gonna probably do some door knocking, rest a little bit, and maybe we get some permission. I don't know. Well, I knocked on 2 doors. The first person was not home, but I saw roosters in their slough. We may go try that later today, but I just knocked on the sweetest old lady's door, and she gave me permission on all of her land. So that is how easy it is. All you gotta do is ask, and be respectful. I'm gonna pick up my shells. I'm probably gonna go back and thank her. Yeah, so we're gonna go up. We're gonna set up on this piece. It is still blowing like crazy, so hoping that these birds stay put a little bit. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated. Stubby and I have been driving for, boy, hour and a half, 2 hours since we last got in here. Just haven't been finding anything that really has been sticking out to me to knock on the door, except for this one place that was just kind of north of here, and then this lady's place, and her tax address wasn't too far away, so quick, easy drive, knock on the door. You know, worst they could say is no. That was awesome. Well, I gotta get my jacket and stuff on because it's freaking cold, but we're gonna jump in this slough here. So this took Stubby and I a while to find them. We pushed these birds around a little bit till eventually Stubby gets a point here, and this bird gets up in range, but quickly goes out of range.
God damn. Big one, too. There was one. Ah. Boy, that was a nice one.
Yep, another miss. This happens a lot today. This one's a heartbreaker. This one, I should have had both of these birds. They get up perfect. Stubby at an awesome point. Just watch the rest of this clip.
Oh, I missed both of them. Damn. Ah. Come on, buddy.
So this is a new spot. Stubby and I went and got permission on this other slough, and this is not even 2 minutes out of the car. Stubby was already on a bird, and this bird actually kind of threw me for a loop. So yeah, here's this. This is another clip that is hard to watch. I should have had that bird dead to rights. Stubby told me where it was. I had my gun on it. I really don't know what happened.
Ah. Can't get a damn thing.
All right, this next clip is probably my favorite of the entire day. Stubby ends up finding 2 birds in this little slough off to my left, and it's just, I mean, I just love watching him go on point. It's so cool.
Oh my God, hen. Oh my goodness. Got him. Finally. Go get him, buddy. Yep. Pick him up. Bring him back. Stubby. Yes. Stubby, come on. Come on. Stubby. Stubby. Come here. Come on. Stubby, come on. Stubby. Boy, after how many damn missed opportunities. Good boy, my bird. Stubby, my bird.
Yeah, so many birds there. I hit that damn first one. Don't know. I'm gonna actually go check the neighbor's yard to make sure it's not just laying there dead, because there's a good chance it might be. And then a bunch of them they were already running, and I guess Stubby and I were not linking together on that one. He had a couple good points, and 2 of them I just screwed up. I ended up getting one of them though, so 1 for 19 there is ridiculous. I'm gonna go check the neighbor's yard for that one because it did look like it was going down. Okay, see you guys in a minute. No luck on retrieving that bird, but we went back to the original property and just came in from a different angle.
Got him. Yes. Cool. Cool. Stubby. Ah, yes. One more. Dude, I just saw him go down. Where is he? Not a pheasant in this clip, but boy did this thing hide. I cannot believe I didn't see it just laying there right in the CRP. Wow, I wonder if he's gonna catch it. Oh my god, a deer. Oh, boy. This is another one that hurts to watch. I should have had this bird, but my glove slipped over my safety the first time I pulled it, and the second time I pulled the trigger, it was already out of range. Ah. Oh my god, my freaking safety. Come on. All right, this next bird, Stubby and I had chased him through the cattails for quite a while. I was onto his tracks, and he actually made this huge loop here. And we were actually on our way out. I didn't think we were going to get him. And Stubby actually found him along the ditch here. Didn't get a great point, but he was on this scent. I could kind of tell. And, yeah, I was very frustrated with this one as well. You will see. Damn it. Stubby. My finger again. Stubby, come on. Alright, this is our final opportunity of the day. Stubby was on a hen just to the east of where we are on this cattail marsh, and I watched this rooster land in this patch of cattails. Stubby was on him, but he was running, and yeah, this one definitely gets up in range, but you'll see the wind just takes him, I mean, past 60 yards in a blink of an eye. Got a blink here. Nada. I'm sorry, buddy. Alright, yep, that was our hunt. I did not film an outro for this, and yeah, we were pretty tired. This is Stubby afterward, and it just goes to show how much work that he puts into getting roosters. I feel real bad when I miss or mess up, because he does a lot. Thanks for watching.